Hello everybody! Merry Christmas season! Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable gingerbread Christmas tree. I love it, I think it's so cute, I think it's so clever. And yeah, so that is what we're doing today. So what you need is the same cookie dough recipe that we used in the Ho Ho cookie recipe. So click on the link up there, click on the description below, or just head back to my channel. The other thing you need is a bunch of star-shaped cookie cutters. So these are actually really easy to find. I got mine from At Home. So I'll link this down below as well. You can go and buy it. And you can find other cookie cutters. You can also make your own. I was gonna make my own and then I was like, that's missions. So I didn't do that. I'm like, no. All right, but that's that. So yeah, go and get your cookie cutters, get your dough ready, and let's go. Also, you need some royal icing. That's it, it's done. Okay. Okay, so you're gonna roll out your dough, and what you wanna do is cut out 2 of each of your hearts. Not your hearts, your stars. 2 stars in each size, and yeah, just that's it. So do that thing. Let me do it, little baby stars. Okay, yeah. So yeah, cut out 2 of each. Put them on a baking tray. Once you have all of your cookies cut out, put them on your tray and into the oven at 170 degrees Celsius, 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. All right, then we move on to building our Christmas tree. As you can see, I'm just using my royal icing as glue in between each star. And I had a teeny tiny little piping tip and ended up splitting my piping bag, which ended up working out in my favor. So yeah, you're just gonna pile up your cookies and get going, build that tree. Those last 2 cookies you are going to glue together and pop them on top of your tree like a star on top of the tree. That's that. Then Pax was moving everything. Then you get some icing sugar and dust your cookies so it looks like it snowed on your Christmas tree. Yeah, I had my arm in front of the lens the whole time. Aren't I? So clever. Always. So clever I am. Then get some gold dusting sugar and go to town. This is how I decorated my cookies. You can decorate them however you want. You can put little baubles on them and little sprinkles and go to town. You can even use your icing and like make it green and make little, like a full-blown tree if you want. But I just kept it simple, kept it sweet, and came out with a really nice finished product. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. And I think it's a really cool, fun, easy idea to do for Christmas. Like, it's a nice little table decoration. So yeah, edible, like a Christmas house, a gingerbread house. I'm talking shit. Alright, that's that for this video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up, let me know what you thought of it down in the comment section below. And if you'd like to support me on this channel, then please subscribe. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!